This is everything you need to know on how to landscape your perfect backyard. Hi, my name's Beck. Landscaping is a great way to tailor your backyard to your specific needs and requirements. Let's get into it. The general rule when it comes to the perfect landscape is that everyone's ideas are different. This is because some would identify having food production as a necessity, whilst others think that entertainment space for both adults and kids is more up their alley. So ask yourself, what are your backyard must-haves? It could include a veggie patch, a kid's playground, outdoor entertaining, lawned area, and more. Now that you know what you want in your backyard, you might be able to work in a combination of zones. Just don't forget to check with your local council regarding permits on any builds. Think of zones like rooms in a house. How will people move from one end to the other? Will you need to add in pathways, steps, or stepping stones for people to move about? If you have features that you want to keep, such as trees, sheds, or clotheslines, how can you design around these items so that they fit into the flow and aesthetic of your area? Next, you'll need to consider the ground covers for each area. Playground mulch is really great for kids' play areas because it looks great and it's soft on your feet. Grass is perfect for filling in large spaces. Pavers, decking, or concrete is ideal for entertainment areas with flammable equipment such as barbecues or pizza ovens. When choosing the greenery for your design, don't forget to consider the visual planes of your backyard and the layering of your plants. Will a tall tree block out your view of the ocean or just block out your neighbours? Layering plants in a garden bed involves choosing and placing plants in a way that maximises their growth potential and creates a visually appealing display. Consider the mature height and size of each plant you want to use in your garden bed. Place taller plants towards the back, medium-sized plants in the middle, and shorter plants at the front. This helps to create a layered look, adding depth and interest to a garden bed. To increase the chances of your planting success, it's really important to consider irrigation systems and drainage, as these will help maintain your garden's overall health. Installing irrigation systems, rain catchments, and grey water tanks are a great way to streamline your watering, especially if you're looking for a low maintenance solution. Automation via smart watering systems also means less time worrying about remembering to water your plants. When selecting your plants, you need to keep in mind a few things: your soil type, your local climate, and of course, if your plants are even available that time of year. Perennials are a great idea. They flower year-round and require very little water. Evergreens are great. They don't drop many leaves and require less maintenance. But of course, if you have kids or if you have dogs or people with high allergies, you need to make sure that those plants are safe for them as well. For those of you who want to be more self-sufficient, you might consider building a veggie patch. Fresh fruit, vegetables and herbs are great for your family. And for a bit of colour, add some ornamental trees for that change of season. Finally, adding some features like a water fountain, a bench or a pool if your budget permits can really enhance your outdoor experience. And there you have it, some great ideas if you're thinking about designing your own backyard. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.